Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Della Puspita. I'm from 12 MIPA 4 Senior High School 1 Muaro Jambi. I will make a popcorn. Let's do try. Ingredient is popcorn, sugar, oil, food coloring, water. Tools is a gas stove, pan, spatula. How to make? First, heat the oil in a medium heat and put all the corn kernels in it. Second, cover the pot thickly so that the corn kernels don't spill when they expand. Third, if the popping sound is gone, turn off the heat and remove the corn kernels that have turned into popcorn. How to make caramel? First, put the water and sugar into the pot. Wait until the sugar and water sink and put corn in it. Thanks for watching my video.